Welcome back everyone. Some great learning happening in Module 1 with some really nice learning diaries taking shape. Let's continue this work in Module 2. Now in Module 2 we explore some interesting approaches and strategies how to teach computing and highlight some important issues along the way. For example, we explore how you can teach computing without using computers. Now it might be strange to consider teaching computing without using computers, but it is probably one of the most powerful ways to approach the subject. Not only does it highlight to the students that computing isn't all about computers, but more about complex problem solving, it also engages a range of different learners, and especially those who might be less engaged when sitting in front of a computer. Furthermore, it is a method that highlights how the subject can be effectively taught without a lot of expensive equipment. For all of you who are lacking equipment in the classroom, make sure to check this out. We also raise the issue of engaging girls when we teach computing. It will be no surprise to most of you that girls in most countries only make up a small percentage of students taking up computing related subjects at high school and university. That's in contrast to the dominance of women on this course. One of the main reasons for this is due to the views young girls have of computing, and that is why it is essential to deal with this problem already at primary school, where these conceptions are first developed. We will also be having our first live webinar on the course. Christian Borowski, a German primary school teacher and research assistant at the University of Oldenburg, who runs his own blog on informatics at primary school, will tell us about a research project in which he was involved. In the project, they collected more than 2,600 questions students wanted to have answered about computing-related topics. This should help us in identifying what areas to focus on in our teaching and how to link computing with other subjects. The webinar will take place this Wednesday, 29th of April at 6:30 p.m. Brussels time. So enjoy browsing through the module and engaging in the discussions, and I'll see you in Module 3.